Hello friends, we need to talk about SRM. Thank you for tuning in. This is going to be an interesting video. We need to talk about SRM. This is a Chinese manufacturer, a Chinese brand that has been making splashes on the market. They've been very successful in the last couple of years. Had a beautiful show at the recent Blade shows where they showcased their new exquisite models. This is a Chinese manufacturer, a Chinese brand that has been making splashes on the market. They've been very successful in the last couple of years. Had a beautiful show at the recent Blade shows where they showcased their new exquisite models. And I've been collaborating with them, reviewing their knives for almost a year now. And I have to say that I'm extremely impressed, and not just by their designs, by their quality and consistency in manufacturing, but also their extremely competitive pricing. Usually I request a few models from each brand because it shows, again, consistency of manufacturing, not just the design work, but how consistent their machining is, how consistent their equipment and their quality control is. So I don't judge a brand by just one model, simply for the reason that it's not that difficult for a company that makes dozens of different models and designs to come up with at least one or two good designs, right? But it's been extremely impressive what SRM has been able to consistently push out at crazy low prices. And when I brought up the fact that I request several models, is I don't want to be name calling here, but I've had both Chinese and European or US brands send me products that I simply did not do a review on. And that is because they had flaws. They had several flaws. I'm very detail oriented. I have severe OCD and I pay attention to every little detail. And so I usually don't miss hiccups and flaws in manufacturing. I pay a lot of attention to the quality control. And as I said, I've had cases where I've received 4 or 5 knives and only one was presentable. The rest had, I don't know, bends, they had inserts falling out, the mechanism not working properly, etc. I haven't found a single flaw in SRMs out of all the products that I received. Their machining, proportions, side to side, and their mechanisms have all performed to premium level, and they're not selling for premium prices. That's the thing. The material choice is great. I haven't seen steels like MagnaCut 3V M390 with them, but they substitute with very competitive but relatively budget materials, such as for their premium line they're using N690, which is a well-established plate steel, and also they're using their 140 CR laminated steel. I'll go into details. So these 3 knives, for example, all are rocking that steel, but they have the metal model as well. This is 255L metal that they also put that blade steel on there, and a couple of other models that I will shortly be receiving on the channel for review. So this is their version of a gents knife with a liner lock. Very simple operation. One very notable thing about SRM, which I haven't seen on other brands, and please do comment in the comment section if you're aware of another company that does this. They might have the patent for these toolless clips. This is genius. First of all, very deep carry clips, and all of these clips have to be deep carry because they go in from the bottom side. This is my best preferred clip setup, a deep carry. So if you look at them, all of the models will have very deep carry clips that are reversible. Now this is a different type of clip. In this case it is non-reversible and it goes under the scales, then you screw down the scales. But on all 4 of these models they do have this reversible clip. So in order to switch up the side on the clip, it's very easy. The clip itself has a spring action. There's no spring inside, as you'll see here. So you just push down. When you push down, there are 2 little ears pushing outwards to each side. I mean, this is no way this is coming off. Very strong, but if you pinch this and push out, you see this slides out. And to reverse, we just slide this into the other side. There we go. And clip, you'll hear this clip in. There we go. Now this is locked in. No tools, nothing hard, takes seconds. I don't know who came up with it. If it is SRM, kudos to them. I mean, beautiful, beautiful solution for the reversible clip and universal. And this applies to many of their models. Now, I've already reviewed the Retriever. I think I love this model, and I think that it is the toughest, I guess, hard use knife in their collection for their folders. They don't make many fixed blades, even though they do have one 702T model, which is a bushcraft oriented Scandi grind knife. Again, beautiful. One of their first fixed blade. Awesome, awesome blade. Much better than majority of their competition. Again, very affordable prices. I want to stress this. These knives are not cheap or cheaply made. Their budget, very accessible pricing does not reflect on the quality. I want to say that their quality is actually way above their price range. I keep saying this when I review the SRM knives because they do have what is known as a crossbar lock. They have quite a few models. For example, all 5 of these are crossbar locks. They're calling it MB locks. So I tested them side by side with Benchmade knives. These are much better. These crossbar or MB locks feel and operate better. You can use your thumb, you can use your index finger, or obviously both, right? But the way they've milled and shaped these thumbs, they're not thumb studs, whatever, you know, the locks, the buttons, is just pure perfection. I'll bring an example. This is twice as expensive. It's a Tucson knife. I don't want to be naming other brands. The channel is not about negative reviews. I try to bring you the best products. I had to file down these lock buttons because they were just, first of all, too sharp. They were protruding too much, and the knife was not as pleasant to fidget with. So I had to modify it. And the clue is in the name of the channel, WisMods. We mod things that are in need of slight adjustments to bring them, to upgrade them to the standards of our channel. Twice as expensive as any of these knives, but I had to modify it. Nothing had to be done with these knives, with these blades. Beautiful. Operation on the Retriever. They are selling these knives, and we have 2 versions here. So this is the Retriever. The model number is 9203. This is the AK, and this is the AK2. The only difference with them is the color. As you can see, this comes in black. This is in satin finish, and similarly the clips and the button locks are also of the same color. This is on a aluminum handle with a G10 insert and G10 liners. Very comfortable knives, multi-use, I would say. Has a beautiful swept belly that you could use, and a very mean tip as well. You can use this as an EDC knife, opening boxes or what have you. You can use it as an outdoor knife, and even this would perform marvelously for hunting, skinning, cutting, and meat preparation. Again, these have 140 CR laminated blade steels, and what I want to show you is how thick that lamination is. So we have a core of a very high carbon steel, and on the sides we have a stainless steel, and that way we get the best of both worlds. So let me first measure. So it's about 1.5 millimeters, 1.5. The core of that high carbon steel is about 1.5 millimeters, and I do want you to see that core because it is clearly visible. You see right there in the middle. Bring it to the light. Yeah, right there. You see the middle is of a different color. Very thick, high carbon steel core, and then on each side we have stainless steel. As I was saying, look at the machining, the crowning of this jimping section. Beautiful little details, the blue anodization of that color, very impressive work. And this thing only costs $73.95, so $74 on their website. Links will be in the description, but you use my discount code, which will take 10% off, and this will come down to approximately $66. Now tell me another brand, and I know there are plenty of manufacturers, Chinese brands that are selling knives at similar price ranges, but I have not yet been able to find similar propositions, value propositions, as SRM is banging out of their doors. I mean, crazy pricing. The 258L, the Retriever model, this is priced at $64.95 which after the discount, it should be about $58. The same type of steel, a clamshell or integral design, which is why I'm calling this their toughest use knife. And what's cool is they do subtle upgrades to their knives. So yeah, by the way, another cool thing is when you receive an SRM, it comes with a very finely sharpened blade, mirror finished almost. I did my own sharpening, which is this one. And by the way, I also review sharpeners on the channel, and I used one of the sharpeners to do this knife, which was the KMFS Vanta Edge Integral Knife Sharpener, a very unique, interesting sharpener. There is a recent video upload of me using and reviewing that one in detail. So they do come very, very well sharpened. And this was the first model, which was in D2. They usually do like their budget line and then their above tier. So they'll have like the same model with different materials, G10 micarta here, and then D2 steel, which I love D2, and then 140 CR. This was selling for $49. Now original price is say $50, $65. And that is not including the 10% discount. Prices drop when you apply my 10% discount code. And the subtle change that you may not even notice unless you have them side by side is this pivot screw. This is rounded off and it was protruding on both sides. And now they've changed it to flat, which is much better because it is close to these MB lock or crossbar lock buttons. And it was in feel, if you're not looking at it, you could have confused the two maybe, but now much better. And they've done the same flat screws on the retriever models as well. Beautiful, consistent quality, great, crazy prices. This may be their marketing strategy to kind of acquire a market share. I don't know if the prices will go up, but what I can say is, and I've said this in my previous reviews of SRMs, if you put a established Western brand name on these knives, prices would double or triple in a click. They are up there or better than these many Western brands that are selling knives of similar quality and value in terms of materials, used design, etc. for $200 and $300. Now, this is the most expensive one out of this because it sells for $84. Again, without the discount. You apply the discount, it'll be about $75 US. This is the twin 251M MB, 251MB/GB, and this is in G10 handle, even though kind of looks like a carbon fiber, but it is G10. They're selling the same knife with fat carbon, micarta scales, and several other variations. If you like the design, this is with MB lock. You can open it with the lock or like this rounded off lip jimped section, and this would be something of a gent's knife, maybe tactical, but for tactical use you would probably need some guards here. But there is jimping on both sides and pretty good secure grip, but for stabbing action probably would require a bit of guards on both sides to be classified as a tactical knife. But a very beautiful compact gent's knife. So I see a very bright future for this company. I love SRM. I'm always on the lookout for their new models or upgrades, which they often do. This medal, for example, they have it in a titanium handle. It is Christmas, New Year oriented laser designs of, you know, the Christmas trees and snowflakes, etc. Blue titanium handle with the 140 CR laminated steel. So I strongly recommend this brand. They have a variety of designs, mostly concentrated on folders, but that fixed blade that I've already mentioned is also very good. They recently came out with another version which is black. The one I received was stone washed. So yeah, go check them out if you're looking for a budget price to spend but premium knife to receive, basically. Again, I'm very scrupulous and detail oriented, and I do not shy away from criticism. I cannot criticize anything but say only good things about this brand. Love SRM. Go check out the affiliate link in the description. Make sure that you use my discount code to knock 10% off. And just a quick show, the wrist roll. I've recently been probably 90% of the time wearing this Maratak Altomare 500 meter water resistant full titanium watch from countycom.com, and I do have a discount code for you there as well, which is the name of the channel. Go to countycom. They have great EDC gear, including watches, flashlights, knives, camping gear, titanium products, pens. Great website. If you like this content, please take a second to subscribe. If you're not already subscribed, give the video a like. This helps the algorithm and helps me bring for your attention on the channel high quality products for you to review. Stay safe, stay healthy, and thank you.